Greetings everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your sound on Windows 11. So let's begin. In order to increase the volume in your Windows, you need to install the software called FX Sound. So here is FX Sound. The first website is their original website. Now let's go to FX site. So we are in FX Sound's website and they are going to download the FX Sound for Windows. Since my download speed is very slow, I'm going to fast forward the process so you guys don't have to wait with me. So the download is finished. Now we are going to open the file. We are going to complete the installation. So as you can see, FX Sounds has been activated in my computer. So here is the FX Sound. Now you can choose what kind of audio would you like to boost your sound system to. So at first we have general, then if we expand this, we are going to have lots of other options like TV, music, voice, gaming, and lots of other options. So make sure that you are choosing the one which suits you best. After that, you have to choose your sound output device. So I don't have any other output device connected to my laptop. That's why I only have the internal speakers shown here. If you have any other devices, then your other devices will be shown here. And you will have to select your desired device from this option. So after that, make sure you go to sound from here and click on this sound settings. After this, you are going to click on this icon. And then make sure that your output device is set to FX Sound speakers. Well, this is by default selected to FX Sound speakers when the FX Sound is running. So now you can't change your audio device from this option like you used to. If you want to change your output device now, then you'll have to select here and change your output device from FX Sound software. And if you don't want to use the FX Sound software anymore, you can just click here and the FX Sound will be disabled. And if you just want to turn off FX Sounds, then you will find the FX Sounds icon here on your taskbar. And you should right click on it, then select exit and your FX Sound will be exited. So that is how you can quit your FX Sound too. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.